On my lessons, and I'm getting ready to play the game, and I went outside, everything. So here we go.
Yeah, this is my son Kamara. He did all his work. He did everything he supposed to do today. They went outside and play. I didn't record that, but they wanted to come in because they
You
said it
did
was.
record that.
Oh, that was the other one yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah. So he wanted me to film him on this game thing he wanted to play. The the dirt bike robber. He wanted me to film him on that tip.
can't even see the dirt bike.
Hold up. This game right here. So he just want to film. Okay. All right, son. Hold up, cause I'm gonna run out of film.
Oh,
So I'm gonna stand up and hold the camera.
hey, what do you do with this? No, I don't know what to do.
It says, oh, press down.
Push.
Now press it. Stop going crazy, boy. Alright, hold on. Can I get the game like that?
Let Naquana hold it.
There you go.
Oh, you got back when you go in.
You gonna do tricks today?
Yup,
Huh?
yup.
Yeah, wait till it come off.
Oh, it's too long, bro.
Oh, it's going fast.
It's going fast. It's at 80%. I'd like to say Rich a late happy Mother's Day once again. People out there, Facebook, YouTube, everybody else I forgot. God bless everybody. That whoever going through some stuff right now, God got you. Alright, is that 99%? Let's see what's up. You want ring, ring, ring. Get it on, come
Southern
on.
California is home to many
Let me turn it down a little bit.
teams and manufacturers who competed for Monster Energy AMA Supercross, an FIM World Championship. That's why winning here at Angel Stadium
that?
in Anaheim is so important. A win at the big end can make your career. Who will step up and claim the checkers in Anaheim?
You heard him. Who's gonna step up? It's gonna be you. Huh?
Listen to
Do it for tenacity. That's him right there.
Let's see
Uh-oh.
if they capitalize on that energy and
Uh-oh, he's number one, babe. Yeah. There you go. He about ready to take off. Let me get up.
30-second board is up. Keep an eye on their game. It's
That's my son right there. You can see the whole TV from here. Go, son, go. You know what? Oh, my, look at him. He's always in the back. He's trying. Oh, he went back. Oh, he smacked that person. Oh, they jumped over his head. Oh, he's trying to get in front. Slow down, slow down. Now go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Go, go, go. Keep going. There you go, son. Control the bike. I'm going to give you. Oh, he got wiped out. Dang. All right, slow down, slow down. Don't you be quick in a hurry. You just like your uncle a little bit. Quick in a hurry. All right, let's go, let's go. Slow down, slow down, slow down. All right. Now go, 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 go. All right, keep going, keep it slow, 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 slow. Now get back on track, get back on track. You're off track, you're off track. Oh my, keep going, keep going. You can do it, you can do it. Keep it, you can do it. Let's go. Oh, they got you stuck. Turn around, turn around. Oh, they cheating. Man, they try to knock you out. All right. Damn it. Come on, son. You can do it. You got to take your time. You're getting nervous. Turn around, turn around. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Woo! I like that jump, yeah. Oh, too high, too high. Boop. Oh, where you supposed to go? Oh, there you go. They put you back on track. Look at that Monster sign. I drink that by a commercial. I drink that on a commercial tip. Come on, do it for tenacity. Let's go. There you go, son. You see this? See how your son's playing the game in the dirt bike? He want to do it in real life, so I'm gonna go ahead and get him some, take him to classes and stuff like that, where he has to drive a dirt bike properly, safe. Okay, keep going. Keep going, son. You're doing good, man. You're doing excellent. I see what place you at. Where do we say it's the place at? No, that's not it. He in 22. He in last place. But yeah, he still got a chance. He got to focus. There you go, son. Keep going. Even though you just learning to play this, finish the race. Don't give up. Gases never give up. Hit that, man. Woo! Look at him fly. Ha! Slow that. Oh. You see that, son? Oh, you at the baseball field. The Angels what you call them baseball team?
The Angels.
The Angels, something like that.
Angels football field.
Yeah, that's tight. I like how the way they doing it. It looks so real. Okay. Keep going, son. Keep going. How long is this match? Oh, he should have broke his leg, broke everything. See how the way he bent on that? Y'all can do an instant replay on that one. Okay. Come on, keep going. Go, son. Let's look at the driver face. See how he command it. He is focused on the dirt bike. Keep focusing. Oh my. He's like, I'm trying to get this win. And I think he's telling him what to do. Oh, what the? Did it just pause? Did he just pause? That's a replay? I don't know what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. He just paused it. Come on, it's filming. I ain't gonna have that much film. Ooh. Did not know what just happened. Alright, come on. Oh. You getting wiped out. You gotta calm down. Let's see. It says best timing 1:21. Alright, come on, Mean Gene. Come on, right, come on. Oh, come on, he went into the stand. Watch out, people. They just standing there like stiff. Watch out for he hurt ya. I just seen Smokey. What's up? What you doing here, Smokey? Smokey, get out of my damn house. It's not your house, Super. I'm just geeking, y'all. Oh.
My film will be live.
Yeah, I hear you knock on. This is Kamori's time. Kamori's channel. Kamori's YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. Come on, right? Keep going. I don't know how long this is. How many laps is it? Alright, on the net. Oh, damn, he broke his neck. You seen that? What's that? Oh, wiped out. Come on, Ray. Keep going. Alright, I'm gonna stop you right here. Y'all just seen it. Kamore just did an awesome job playing the game, driving the dirt bike for the first time. He was a little bit nervous, but he finished the race, and we know he came in last place. He don't care. He just wanted to show y'all what he could do on a dirt bike, because that's his favorite thing. And his birthday is coming up. It's on the 20th. So stay tuned to that. Amen. So hold on. I gotta speak to the champion. How you feel, champion? How you feel about the race, even though you came in last place? You gonna get him back?
Yeah.
Alright, you heard it. He said he's gonna get it back. Let's ask the fan. How do the fan feels about Kamora Race, his brother? KKK left the dead King.
Hey, look, he did good, but at least he came in last place. He's showing her how to do it. That's
All
my
right.
brother.
You heard it. Everybody heard it. God bless everybody. Yeah, I'm sweating. I was exercising, but God bless everybody. And get this video a thumbs up or YouTube, whatever. And we're gonna end this. And next we're gonna get Nutcorn.